Hi, Sanjay.
Hello, hi Nitin, how are you?
I'm doing well. Thanks for helping my project.
Of course.
Could you say a couple of words about yourself?
Yeah, so my name is Sanjay. I live in London, UK, and by profession I'm a software engineer. And so we are here in Houston, and we are at the Space Center, NASA Space Center, and we look forward to a lovely day.
Well, did you know that NASA is planning to go back to the moon?
Uh, I was told, but I don't have much information about it. So yeah, I'm quite excited to hear more about it.
Whenever you think about the future of humanity, do you see humans in space living like on the moon and Mars and in big space facilities? Or do you think we're still always going to be here on the Earth only?
I think we need to sort of expand to new horizons. I'm sure. I think space holds a lot of new answers for us. We need to explore new frontiers, and I think the space exploration is a very exciting sort of aspect that we need to consider. Because recently, for example, India managed to land to the dark side of the moon, and we were hoping that it will sort of unlock a lot of new chapters for the humanity. And I'm sure I think the subsequent journeys to moon and to other planets, I think they hold a lot of keys to a lot of unanswered questions. So yeah, definitely, I think it has a very important part to play.
So you see a future where we're like having families like on Mars and that
Oh,
kind of thing?
absolutely, absolutely. I think it's a never-ending sort of it's a big horizon which we need to expand into, and I think in possibly maybe next a few decades, we need to sort of have concerted efforts so that we can have space tourism, or let's say people living on moon, or at least taking journey into the space. That is something that definitely needs to happen.
If you could, would you take a trip to space?
Oh, definitely. As long as it is attractively priced, I think everybody the minute they're born, they really sort of if you ask a small kid, they always want to become like an astronaut. They want to take a trip in space, and I think with passing time, what happens is when they grow up, that sort of passion subsides because of the prohibitive costs, or let's say the hurdles that they have to cross, the hoops they have to jump through. But if let's say it could become affordable and easier to sort of get into, I think a lot of people would do that, including me.
Do you think you'll have a chance in your lifetime?
Possibly not in my lifetime, but I hope by the time our kids grow up into adulthood, I think they should definitely have much more options than what we have currently.
Well, excellent. Thank you so much, Sanjay. Let's go find out more about this space thing.
Sure, I'm very excited. Thank you.